Well, here we are, it's Sunday. Hang on. Yeah, the 11th of June 2023, and it's the carnival. What organisation are you exactly?
Standard Triumph Pipe Band. It's on the drum.
Oh right, yeah.
Coventry Pipe Band.
Lovely.
So it's a community pipe band, and we welcome anyone to join. So if you're interested.
I've spoken to him for half a minute and he's got me signed up.
Well, you'd enjoy it.
Thank you. Right.
So what's your organisation? You're
I'm local
freelance
retired blogger.
Ready! Man! What is it? Quick!
Please stop, lift up on your safety while gather any belongings, and leave by the exit gate only.
So I'm deputy leader and I've got the responsibility for housing and communities. The Knife Angel, that was my my project, my team's project.
Yeah.
We worked really hard to get that into town. I mean, look around. Everybody's having an absolutely fantastic time.
Yeah.
You can't beat it. On a day like this, when everybody comes out, one of the floats is the independent living team, which is part of the council under my portfolio. And one of my team leaders just said it's restored her faith in Nuneaton, because you hear so much negativity, but when you come out on a day like this and people turn out.
Yeah. Claire, thank you very much. But
You're welcome.
Leave it. Well, that was a very pleasant and informative chat with Claire Golby, Councillor Claire Golby, who's a very good lady, because for no better reason she follows this channel. Anyway, this is it. I think we're going to sign off now, and yeah, really enjoyable. You know what? Next time you'll see me. Bye bye.